Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. So today recipe is a roasted lamb leg. So first we will cut the leg. So I will show you how to cut the leg. This is 2.5 kg leg, fresh leg, and I will show first we will have to cut it like in the. So you have to cut up to the bone. You have to knife has to be touched to the bone, and we'll give you gap to the 1 inch. So you already cut in the joint. I already cut it. This portion will not cut like this one. So we'll just push the knife inside on both sides, and also we'll cut the back side also. You have to cut it up to the bone, you know. You don't have to cut too close, otherwise it will be mess up. It will be not look nice. And also we'll put the knife inside the bottom side of the leg. So first we'll do the marination, salt and lemon juice first. It will basically do the tenderize the leg. First we will put the lemon juice. It's almost 4 tablespoon lemon juice all over this one, and also put the salt and also give the massage a little bit. Then we will turn other side and put the lemon juice first. And put the salt this side also. You have to put the finger in the cutting area, push it, and salt and lemon juice supposed to be goes inside properly. We'll move it again. So we'll put some more salt on the top side. So this way it will give you the help for the tenderize. So we'll keep it at least half an hour. So we'll start the main marination. So we are using some spices. I'll show you. This is half cup of yogurt. You can see the yogurt. If you are using yogurt, has to be no watery. It's like a thick one. So today I'm going to use for the leg half cup of the yogurt. First we'll put the yogurt. So this is chili paste. We are using chili paste. This is like a 2 tablespoon fresh green chili paste, and 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon the hot chili sauce, and this is all the spices I put in the plate. This is 2 tablespoon the red chili powder I am making hot, and also I use green chili paste, and 2 tablespoon the cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon tikka masala. Tikka masala you can find it from any Indian Pakistani grocery store. It's called chicken tikka or whatever, tandoori chicken tikka masala, and I am using 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 2 pinch of the yellow color, and 1 tablespoon garam masala, and 2 tablespoon coriander powder. So I'll put all together. And also I already roasted some garlic in the oil, so olive oil. So you are using olive oil, and this one is give you the garlic flavor also in the oil. So this is 4 tablespoon. So So we mix it. I mix it with the hand. You can use the other stuff also before mixing. Whips also. So this one is already half an hour. I already marinated with the salt and lemon juice. Now it's ready. So we'll do the main marination. So we'll put this paste all over the leg. So this one I already cut it. You can put the finger a little bit, goes masala inside. And this cut, you have to put all the spices inside the cut. That's why it goes all the spices properly inside. So we'll turn other side. In the same process, we'll put the rest of the spices this side. So we need to wrap it or cover it up completely. Then we have to keep it at least 2 hours for today. But as longer you keep it, it will give you the more taste. See you after 2 hours. So lamb leg, it has been marinating for the last 2 hours. So now it's time to bake. So we'll bake the leg. So I will preheated the temperature for the bake oven for the last half an hour. It has been temperature right now 220 degrees Celsius. We'll cook on 220 degrees Celsius. Okay, we'll put the leg on the rack. So we'll put the tray. Oh, sorry, it's too spicy. So we'll cover it. So we'll cook for the next 2 hours. After 1 hour, we'll put some oil on the top of the moisturizing. So lamb leg is roasting for the last 1 hour. So after the 1 hour, let me check how it looks like. You can see, and also I have to do the olive garlic flavor oil on the top. After 1 hour, this looks nice. It's almost cooked, half done. Still keep moisture. You put the brush, some oil on top. So we need to cook at least another 45 to 1 hour. Then we'll see you after 45 minutes. So lamb leg has been cooking for the last 1.5 hour, 220 degrees Celsius. The last half an hour I was convert to the 150 degrees Celsius. I cooked last half an hour in slow motion. So now it's done. So I have to turn off the gas. I can show you how it looks like. It's already cooked. Well done. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen. See you in next video, interesting video. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. You have a nice day.